Vishwa continuing from the north end. That's a good ball. Raghu is getting the ball in the right areas. One of the directors of CCL just asking brand ambassador of Bulldozers to proceed to a meeting room. Again throwing it up, allowing the ball to swing. Rajiv is capable of hitting those shots over covers, and he is very positive in his innings so far. Any loose ball he gets, he's going after it. It's a predominantly offside field. Now the fine leg being brought into the circle. I think a no ball was signaled. Probably not enough number of fielders in the 30-yard circle. The umpire very observant on that occasion.
अच्छा शॉट यहाँ पर राजीव का, इस बार ऑन साइड में खेल दिया था और रन आते हुए एक अच्छे क्लिप पर यहाँ बुलडोजर्स के लिए। और ऐसे ही शुरुआत की ज़रूरत है। अगर विकेट्स नहीं गिरते हैं तो भाई बड़ा स्कोर ज़रूर खड़ा कर सकते हैं यहाँ से। 30 पर 1 इस समय 4.5 ओवर के बाद बुलडोजर्स, भास्कर राजीव दोनों ने बेहतरीन रन बनाए पहले मैच में। एक बार फिर से दोनों साथ इकट्ठा हो गए यहाँ पर। 22 रन की साझेदारी।
Again going for one shot that's brilliantly bisected the fielder between covers and mid-off for a well-struck boundary.
Oh, this is impressive from Rajiv. He gets onto that position so quickly. That flyers to the bag that allows him to get that power behind that shot. The cover drive seems to be his favorite shot. This time off the back foot, he'll get a single. And there was a chance of a run out, but the throw wasn't correct or wasn't accurate.
That was a quick single, but Bhaskar, who's been having trouble with his knee for a long time now. It's been close to a year that he's having trouble with his knee. I think he seems to be in trouble. He is in fact down on the ground. He will require some attention. You'll see the physio coming up pretty soon on the field to get him back on feet if he can, but at the moment he is in agony.
Seems he's hurt his knee, or maybe has pulled a muscle. His hamstring is clutching his knee, which means that he's aggravated that injury you've been talking about, Sanjay.
Well, talking of injuries on field, Sabha, I think none is more documented than the injury that you had to. That was, you got that injury when you're keeping. In a Bangladesh test match. So what happened exactly?
A really long time back, Sanjay, isn't it?
Well, but for cricketers like us, it is of immense interest, and I think we really felt that it was sheer bad luck, because we being youngsters, at least I thought that you would have a longer run at the international stage.
Yeah, it was rather unfortunate because it happened in a one-day game. It was Bangladesh versus India, and I was keeping wickets to Anil. And the injury occurred because while playing one of the Bangladeshi openers, he played the wrong line, and the ball came off the batsman's pad, or the flap of the pad. And and hit my right eye. And then I was rushed to the hospital. From there I came back to India, was sent to Shankar Nethralaya, where I was treated for about a month. But my eyesight went down after that. But I did come back and play a test match. So that was commendable on my part, that I was able to come back and play. But even then, while I was playing that test match, I knew that it would not be easy for me to last, because gradually my vision was deteriorating, and there was no way that my vision would have improved. So after a lot of struggle, maybe after 6-7 months, I decided to hang up my boots. But as a wicketkeeper batsman, it wasn't easy to play with only one eye.
Yeah, that's destiny. That is the only thing. That is the only way we can accept such things. But you see now that Sudeep has come in to join Bhaskar as a runner, and this brings back to a particular incident which occurred to me in my career. When I was playing my first test match, I tore my hamstring when chasing a ball, and I was slated to open the innings for India, but because of that injury I had to be repositioned at number 7 or 8, and I got this strange experience of walking out for a test debut with a runner. So I was feeling very strange. So I think this incident has reminded me about that. So Sudeep is going to run for Bhaskar.
So it's all set now. It's 36 for 1. Bhaskar is ready to carry on with his innings. He's injured, so it's Sudeep who will do all the running for him. He's batting on 9. Rajiv has been more positive, more aggressive of the two. He's on 18. That's Mr. Ambarish, one of the biggest stars of the Karnataka film industry.
Venkatesh probably jokingly saying that why are you making Bhaskar struggle? I think he should go back in the dressing room and relax. But Sudeep is a very competitive guy. I think he is hell-bent that he will stay in the middle. There's some history to it. I think if probably the runner can be disallowed as well, because this injury was an injury which had been sustained in the previous match, so you never know. In fact, my friend Rohan tells me that as per the new ICC rulings, even if you are injured on the field, you can't have runner.
छत्तीस पर 1 है स्कोर इस समय बुलडोजर्स का। भास्कर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं जरूर, पर चोट से पीड़ित है इस समय, तो हैम्पर कर सकता है उनके स्ट्रोक प्ले में। और मुझे लगता है कि बड़ा ही लंबा सीजन बाकी है इस समय, और अगर ऐसा लगे कि इस चोट से परेशानी हो रही या फिर चोट और एग्रीवेट हो जाए, तो अच्छा यही होगा कि इस समय वो बल्लेबाजी ना करें और कोई और खिलाड़ी उनकी जगह पर आ जाए। अच्छा शॉट खेला है इस बार। मिस फील्डिंग वहाँ पर मिड ऑन पे जो खिलाड़ी खड़ा था उसके द्वारा, और एक बाउंड्री यहाँ पर भास्कर के लिए। 40 पर 1 5 ओवर के बाद।